pulverize. The kings of crushing are back, and hungrier than ever. Watch as metal, wood, and even concrete vanish in seconds. Buckle up. This is destruction in overdrive. Sustainable forestry starts with smart solutions. The CompTech 800 horsepower shredder turns bulky poplar stumps into reusable material, perfect for recycling or clean energy production. It's a powerful way to cut down on waste and cut back on environmental impact. The Crashbore 5 is a heavy-duty baling system featuring an optional push door for enhanced functionality. Designed for multi-material processing, it delivers reliable compaction of cars, trucks, aluminum, cans, light iron, and non-ferrous metals with precision and consistency. That South Florida palm didn't stand a chance. The CBI 680-0BT came in like a beast at an all-you-can-eat buffet. In seconds, that massive tree was turned into bite-sized wood chips.
You don't want to have the strings too long any longer, and it's too hard on the area.
Who needs a pricey commercial mulcher when you've got this DIY genius? Simple parts, maximum results. That spinning weed eater line creates a wild vortex, sucking in leaves and tearing them up with shocking precision. Absolutely brilliant.
Just pop it over there.
The Albach Diamant 2000 is an absolute monster. Watching it crush through logs and fire out flawless wood chips is straight up hypnotic. That drum spins like a mechanical symphony, loud, fast, and totally unstoppable. This is what peak chipping performance looks like. Raw power, razor precision. The Vermeer TG5000 is a great example of strong American design. It comes with two motor options, a 540 horsepower Caterpillar diesel or a 500 horsepower electric one. It has a 95-gallon hydraulic tank, and you can check performance using both old school gauges and a digital screen. The cutting system is built to last and works very efficiently. This appears to be a robust piece of equipment ideal for managing heavily overgrown terrain. It seems well suited for clearing dense underbrush and small trees with efficiency. One point of interest, what is the maximum branch diameter it can process? It's likely he's considering the practical benefit of repurposing the wood chips for his garden beds. Utilizing natural byproducts for landscaping, an efficient and eco-friendly decision. Although larger than today's compact units, it represented an important milestone in the evolution of biomass fuel technology. The screw thread, arguably one of humanity's most impactful inventions after the wheel, was central to its design. However, it's worth questioning whether this model offered improved energy efficiency compared to earlier shredders. Now that's a monster chipper. The Gens Hem 80.120 decimeters looks like it could munch through an entire forest without blinking. That thing's gotta be a beast. Makes you wonder, how many tons can it process in a single day? Hope they've got a mountain of logs ready. The HOS Tyron 2000 XL, run by Westminster Waste, is a top-tier wood shredder designed for high throughput and long-term durability. Equipped with dual shafts and intelligent control systems, it ensures consistent, efficient reduction across diverse wood materials. Presenting the John Deere 1270E harvester, paired with the precision-engineered H425 harvesting head. This high-performance combination is a serious investment, with the base machine priced at approximately $33,000 and the H425 head adding an estimated $47,000 to the total cost. This innovative log processing machine features a patented method for outer layer removal that preserves the integrity of the log core. Designed for both field and industrial environments, it operates using either electric power or a tractor PTO. Want better wood chips and to save money? The Ultra 3 is fast, strong, and simple to take care of. It works great for big mills and is a smart investment if you're trying to cut waste and be more efficient. The Maxim 150 HR bowl stands out with its rugged, almost militaristic design, built for high-performance wood processing. Powered by the reliable LZ M1.2 C640S engine, this chipper is engineered to reduce entire logs to fine mulch with efficiency and durability. What material would you put to the test first? No way, did you just see that? This beast absolutely tore through that wood like it was tissue paper. Unreal speed, laser-sharp precision. That's some serious next-gen engineering right there. Meet the Willibald Shark EP500. A high-performance shredder for green waste, grass, and wood trimmings, perfect for biomass, compost, and municipal use. It runs on a powerful MAN diesel engine using twin V-belts with load-sensing speed control for efficient processing. Material feeds smoothly through a large intake with hydraulic rollers in a 57-inch by 35-inch opening. Inside, a heavy rotor with 48 flails shreds using a hammer mill-like action. Interchangeable screens let you control the output size. A tree with that much lean poses a significant hazard. It's critical to assess all potential risks, utilize proper equipment, and avoid taking unnecessary chances. This west bundle saw works great if your wood is neat, dry, and bundled. It's slow but steady, perfect if you've got time and want to avoid back pain. Not so great for rough logs or fast-paced work though. Best for farms or light-duty jobs, not big operations. This integrated wood processing system exemplifies efficient modern design. Operated from within a fully equipped cab, it features the compact yet powerful Bobber 80RM wood chipper, driven by a 5.5 horsepower Honda GX160 engine for reliable performance. A hydraulic grapple handles large logs with precision, while the intelligent pre-shredder ensures optimal chip size and machine efficiency. Forget therapy. Just watching that super split in action is pure relaxation. The way it powers through those redwood rounds, so smooth, so satisfying. But halfway through, I couldn't stop staring at his fingers near that stationary blade. Anyone else nervous? That looks really risky. The Vermeer TR626 demonstrates impressive efficiency in processing diverse materials. Its ability to produce well-sorted compost, topsoil, and mulch makes it highly suitable for large-scale landscaping and horticultural operations. This unit is a practical solution for significantly reducing labor time and streamlining material handling.